In this video, we will show the best side-by-side refrigerators in India 2020. At number 1, Samsung Inverter Frost-Free Side-by-Side Refrigerator. Overall best pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, LG 687L Frost-Free Side-by-Side Refrigerator. Runner-up pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Haier 712L Side-by-Side Refrigerator. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Panasonic 584L Frost-Free Side-by-Side Refrigerator. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.